Students, today we are going to introduce the chapter Relations and Functions. This is very important chapter as it is the starting point of calculus. We have done this chapter in class 11th. Let us recall few important terms. Ordered pair. A pair of element is said to be ordered pair if it matters what is where. Now let us write mathematical definition. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. And let X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Then pair of element X comma Y written inside the round bracket is then X comma Y is said to be ordered pair if and only if X comma Y is not equal to Y comma X unless X equal to Y. That means these two will be equal if and only if X equal to Y is. Otherwise X comma Y is not equal to Y comma X. Let A is a set having elements 2, 3, 4. B is another set equal to 1, 3, 5. Then 2, 1, 2, 5, 4, 1 are few ordered pairs. There will be many more, but I have written few ordered pairs. Here 2, 1 will be different from 1, 2. Next comes equality of ordered pairs. Two ordered pairs X comma Y and equal to A comma B, two ordered pairs X comma Y equal to A comma B if and only if the first part is same, that is X equal to A, and second part is same, that is Y is equal to B. So two ordered pairs are equal if their corresponding parts are same. Now let us define Cartesian product of two sets. So first we will define for non-empty sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets, then Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A cross B and is given by A cross B is equal to set of ordered pairs where first entry is from A, second is from B. That is AB such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Set of ordered pairs AB where A is from A and B is from set B. This is for non-empty sets. If A is 5 means A is empty, or B is equal to 5 means B is empty set, then we define A cross B as empty set. So for non-empty set, we define A cross B as set of ordered pairs. For empty set, we define A cross B is equal to 5. Let us take example. Let A is a set equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 4, 5, then A cross B is equal to 1, 4, 1 from A, 4 from B, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, then 2 from A, 5, 4 from B, 2, 4, 2, 5, then take 3 from A, 4 from B, 3, 4, and 3, 5. First element from set A, second element from set B. You can now write B cross A taking element from B first, then from A. So 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Now you take element 5 from B and rest from A. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Note that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. As you can see, 1, 4 is not equal to 4, 1, 1, 5 is not equal to 4, 5, etc. Note, or you can say it is a result, if A and B are two finite sets having m and n elements, then having m and n elements respectively, then number of elements in A cross B are mn. Relation. Let A and B be two non-empty sets then R is said to be relation from A to B if R is a subset of A cross B. Thus we can say each subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. Every subset of A cross B will be relation from A to B. Let us write example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us write a subset of A cross B. Say R is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3. You can note it is a subset of A cross B. A cross B will have 3 into 4, 12 elements. A cross B will have 12 elements. So there will be 2 raised to power 12 subsets. So this R is subset of A cross B. Therefore, R is a relation from A to B. Because we know every subset of A cross B is relation from A to B. Sometime we can write relation in roster form, from roster form to set builder form. Here R is xy such that x is in A, y is in B such that x plus y is equal to 5. Domain and range of relation. Domain. The set of first entries of ordered pairs of relation R are from A to B. The set of first elements of ordered pairs of relation R from A to B is defined as domain of relation R. Let us now define range. The set of second elements of ordered pairs of relation R from A to B is known as range. So domain is set of all ordered pairs appearing as first entry and range appearing as second entries. In the example, first entries are 1, 2. So domain will be set of all first entries of the ordered pairs in R. R may 1, 4, 2, 3. There are 2 ordered pairs. So first entries are 1, 2. So domain is 1, 2. Similarly, range is set of second entries of ordered pairs. So 3, 4. Note that there is one more concept, codomain. Set B is known as codomain. If R is a relation from A to B, B is known as codomain of that relation. Number of relations if A and B are two finite sets. For number of relation, we should have sets to be finite. If A and B are two finite sets, then number of relations will be same as number of subsets, because each subset is a relation. So number of relations from A to B will be, A to B are 2 raised to power number of elements in A into number of elements in B. So each subset is a relation. So number of subsets of A cross B will be 2 raised to power NA NB. So these many relations will be there. Now there is one more concept, relation in set A, and few books are writing relation on set A. Will prefer to write relation in set A. Basically it is a relation from A to A. So let A be any non-empty set, then R is said to be relation in A if R is subset of A cross A. Every subset of A cross A will be relation in set A. Note, if number of elements in A is n, number of elements in A is m, then number of elements in A cross A will be m square. So subsets will be 2 की power m square. So we can say number of relation in A are 2 raised to power m square. Let us write example. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. R is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. It is a subset of A cross A. By what rule these elements are written? We are not bothered right now. Here R is a subset of A cross A, so R is relation in A. Thanks for watching this video.